The Taiyo AA-277-EM-CY PCB CRD, engineered for precision control and reliable performance in industrial applications. The product offers precision control engineering, ensuring reliable performance and accurate data processing, making it ideal for applications requiring high accuracy and dependability. This PCB card is engineered to deliver consistent performance and accurate data processing, essential for diverse industrial environments. Trust Taiyo's innovation to enhance your operations with advanced engineering and robust functionality, making it an ideal choice for precision-driven environments. Taiyo's precision engineering ensures reliable industrial performance through advanced data processing capabilities, offering enhanced accuracy and efficiency in operational applications. This PCB card is your go-to solution for accuracy and efficiency. The Taiyo AA-277-EM-CY PCB CRD excels in diverse industrial applications where precision control and monitoring are essential. Its robust performance ensures reliability in environments demanding accurate data processing and control. This makes it an ideal choice for industries focused on precision and efficiency. The Taiyo AA-277-EM-CY PCB CRD is engineered for precision control in industrial settings. Trust Taiyo AA-277 to deliver exceptional performance, meeting the high demands of modern industry with ease and reliability. Thank you, and choose Taiyo AA-277 for unmatched reliability and performance.